In this video, I want to give us a comprehensive guide as it relates to using the TD Ameritrade stock brokerage platform for your investments services. And so here are 10 key crucial factors you need to consider while using this particular platform for your investments. Number one is no commission fees. Zero commission fees. They generally charge zero commission for online stock and ETF trades, making it cost effective for investors. When it comes to investing in exchange traded funds, investing in stocks in the market, you discover that this particular platform charges you nothing. You just execute a trade free of charge. What a wonderful privilege and opportunity. I wouldn't want you to miss. Number two, think or swim platform. It offers a robust trading platform with advanced charting, technical analysis, and trading tools. You can make use of graphs, charts that reflects or indicates past performance of a given security or a given stocks. When you extrapolate backwards. Not only that, it tend to gives you exposure to technical analysis tools like price movements, like chart as I earlier informed. It will help you as a trader, and it's also very important even as an investor. It's important you consult or utilize these tools to make better investment decisions. Number three, wide range of investment options. You have access to stocks, you have access to mutual funds, you equally have access to bonds and other fixed income securities, as well as exchange traded funds. So if you want to invest in any of these asset class, then the TD Ameritrade platform is a very good choice for you. As a beginning investor and even as an experienced one, indeed. Number four, research and analysis. Comprehensive research tools and resources, including market news, analysis, and third-party reports. They compile reports from third parties in form of a comprehensive guide, and then make it available to you to guide you in your investment journey, in your investment process. They also make available market news. As an investor, you need to be conversant with market news, because generally sometimes the market is moved by sentiments, by news, rather than by facts and fundamentals. They are moved by news and sentiments, which of course this particular platform will give you up-to-date news when that relates to your investment activities. Number five, you have educational resources. It provides a variety of educational materials, including webinars, including articles, and tutorials that will help you to develop and enhance your skills as an investor. With enhanced skills, that will then ultimately translate into better results at the end of the day. Number six, account types. Account types. They offer various account types, such as individual brokerage account, that's their primary accounts that they offer, and investment accounts, the brokerage account. They equally offer retirement accounts like the Roth IRA, the normal IRA, as well as some custodial accounts. So when you use their service, you are exposed to these different classes of accounts you could make use of, apart from the traditional individual brokerage accounts they are known to operate. Number seven, no account minimum. No account minimum. There are generally no minimum deposit requirements to open an account, making it making it accessible to new investors. Some brokers will charge you a minimum account balance. If you don't have this particular account, you will not operate with us. When it comes to TD Ameritrade, they have zero account balance. As a new investor, as a beginning investor, as a beginner in the market, you can open an account without having a huge amount of money. With the little you have, you can open an account, get educated even through the platform, and you are good to go as an investor. You can start trading stocks, trading mutual funds, exchange traded funds, and ETFs. I will not advise you to trade options. And this as a beginner, it's somewhat complicated, and it needs tons of knowledge and experience to succeed as an option, as an investor in options. Number 8, customer service. Strong customer support with multiple channels, including phone, including chats, including email. You can email them, you can reach them through the official email, you can call them on phone, you can equally chat with them to render assistance or clarity on issues or areas you need clarification that has to do with your investments. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. It will do me a ton of good. Number 9, mobile app. It provides a mobile apps with many of the same features as their desktop platform, allowing for trading on the go. Apart from their traditional trading platform on Windows, on the normal usual on traditional desktop computer, you have it in your mobile phone. The apps can be installed in your mobile phone, and so while on the go, anywhere, everywhere, you decide to either educate yourself or to execute trades, you can very easily carry out your trades. It's a very important advantage of this brokerage firm. Number 10, integration with Schwab. Integration with Schwab. Since the merger with Charles Schwab, you need to understand that they've merged with Charles Schwab. There may be additional services and benefits available from Schwab, such as enhanced research and investment option. You have better quality research, you have more detailed research, and of course, you have a wider investment option while using this particular platform. And this is a guide, though not as comprehensive as I would have loved it to be because of the length of this video, but all the same, I believe it will help you to get the rudimentary knowledge you need to be able to trade, better, and to be able to obtain better results as an investor.